Well, let's take a look at these rainfall totals. It has been a soggy 24-hour period along and north of I-44 especially. Now, a lot of the rain that fell north of I-44, that was last night. A lot of the rain along I-44, well, that was last night and then again today. And in Springfield, we've picked up over 2.5 inches officially over the last 24 hours. But across the south side of Springfield, we've likely seen more than that, maybe 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. Earlier in the show, I pointed out the Marshfield area, radar estimating that amounts could have totaled over 6 inches in the last 24 hours in Marshfield. Notice how the amounts also drop off a lot as you move further south away from the interstate, only 1/4 inch today in places like West Plains. Heavy rain continues in areas closer to St. Louis. St. Louis again dealing with tornado warnings today. Earlier today, looks like at least one confirmed tornado southeast of the airport there. Looking at more heavy rainfall moving into the St. Louis area. And that area where we're finding heavy rain, this is what we were dealing with earlier today in Springfield. Rainfall rates of 1 to 3 inches per hour. So when you get a band of these showers set up over your area, you're getting training of heavier showers over the same spot, dumping inches of rainfall. And that's why we had the flash flooding earlier today in the Marshfield area. Notice further southwest, we still have pockets of shower activity. Nothing as concentrated as what we had earlier today. Cold front is draped just south of the interstate, and along that front we've got a conveyor belt of moisture, so the atmosphere is primed to produce heavy rainfall, and that is what it has done over the last 24 hours. That conveyor belt of moisture is going to get shoved off to the southeast as that cold front sags closer to the state line as we work into Thursday. So I think most areas near and north of I-44 are going to remain dry on Thursday. I think it's going to be areas closer to that front and south of that front that could deal with more spotty showers and storms on Thursday. Looking at our hour-by-hour forecast for tonight, the showers that we have in our area right now, I think a lot of that activity will gradually fade away this evening. And then for areas after midnight, most spots will stay dry. Now, we start the day off with cloudy skies in much of the area tomorrow. Looks like the clouds, though, will try to thin out with at least some breaks in the clouds and some peaks of sunshine throughout the afternoon. Notice we really don't see too much in the way of shower or thunderstorm activity pop up in the afternoon, at least in this model run. Again, I think if we see anything, it's going to tend to be located in this area. Places from maybe Harrison to Mountain Home to West Plains. That would be the area that I think has the best shot at some additional spotty showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Rainfall totals through Thursday, there still could be some pockets that see in excess of 1 inch of rainfall, at least until these showers wind down later tonight. About 65 for a low. Looks like highs tomorrow in the upper 70s to low 80s. As we look ahead to Friday, here comes the next big wave of thunderstorms. Looks like we've got a lot of different ingredients in place. We've got a frontal boundary, we've got instability, we've got a pocket of upper level energy that's going to be rippling through the area, and that should generate a wave of rain and thunder that will sweep through mainly Friday morning. I'm going to watch for strong winds with that activity. I think the next big wave of storms Friday night into Saturday morning will tend to be just southwest of our area, but we will still have a chance for some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity Saturday and Sunday. Looks like we finally dry out as we get into next week. Bailey?
All right. Thank you, Jamie. Now